moving so fast. Our children must ride on a boat or a plane to go to the mainland just to see a train. No leisurely walks on the tracks before bed. The tracks that we see will be tracks in our heads. As we look at the scars on the face of our land, left by the train tracks that once crossed Newfoundland. We wander...
Hey, look what I just found. What I just found.
Oh, look at this.
First bolt.
Do you have any doubt that this was once a railway?
Not anymore, sir.
I never had any in the beginning.
Huh?
I never had any in the beginning. We knew about this one before.
Well, I was right about the old Pat. That one coming down. So, they actually did have two different routes.
Yes.
Coming down around.
Yes.
And when they abandoned the first one, going all the way down Fort Townsend, on that section of track that we're just on,
Fort William.
or Fort William, that section of track that we were already on, obviously that was all. This was also part of it.
Yes. I'd say that to go around the lumber yard was a little more difficult than just going around the lumber yard.
Yeah. Now folks, this is a section of track is here off the Topsail Pond Road. We were up here a couple summers ago, or some winters ago I should say. We were up checking out the Y in Paradise, the old turnaround. And we were figuring this was the old track, or the old route. And when we came up here, it was all snow. And this time we're just having a wee little look up here to see if indeed it is track. And after finding that bolt, yeah, it was a track. And through there is the old route. Don't look like much of a route. Looks like a washboard.
This one's been fairly recently reworked. What we call it like this. Oh shit. Yes, this is reworked, man. This has been relayed.
Yeah, let me get hit it a bit.
Make it looks like a river.
Yeah. So we're just coming in here to verify this one. I would hazard a guess this section was abandoned in the 30s, I'd say. 20s and 30s, do you think?
I would think. Somewhere around that, So they put it in as quickly as they could, and probably they must have had a known route or something. I'm beginning to believe some skullduggery is going on here where someone went in, scoped it out, and said you could do it.
Yeah.
And they went ahead and done it, and then after they done it, the surveying got a little bit more precise.
End up changing the route.
Yeah. Or that they found, for example, maybe this was always underwater like the Empire Avenue was. From the freshwater valley.
Yeah.
Because that picture clearly shows the track underwater.
Yeah.
Now I don't know when the photo was taken. That could have been abandoned track for a long time.
And this one's certainly been abandoned a long time too.
Oh yeah. truly amazing though that once it was disturbed, it didn't go back to the forest again.
No.
It's now just like an ugly, it will grow over, but it's going to be a slow process. There's enough ATV traffic on this to make sure that that doesn't happen anytime soon. That's probably what they're doing with this. This may very well be indeed someone's personal ATV track. But you know, it's no trouble to tell it was a railway bed.
Yeah.
All the basic bedding was there.
Yeah.
Imagine how they done this in stages.
Yeah.
Love to know how many men they had on it.
One thing's for certain, it was put in by hand.
Oh yes.
Might have had a scattered steam shovel on the go, but they were pretty far in between.
I'd say mostly by hand.
Yeah.
Because there was enough of us here, and we're all starved to death for work.
Yeah.
I mean, no, there's no trouble to absolutely tell that this is a track. Look how straight it is.
Yeah.
I don't care to concern myself with the boundaries or the borders. It's right down through the middle.
Yeah.
Oop, up my nose, that one.
Huh?
Stick it up your nose. Was the mind deceived me, or there's some stuff after being added to this?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I don't remember it being like this.
Well, we found a bolt. I mean,
Oh yes.
that's all proof I need.
Oh fuck yes.
This boy could be deadly.
The holy grail of it all would be nice, but good luck.
Yeah, a piece of rail.
That's what I call it, the holy grail. There's track around, certainly visible down on Empire Avenue where Buddy got it in his foundation, in his concrete wall.
Oh yeah.
Supposed to use rebar, buddy, not rail bar.
Yeah. A little bit excessive.
Tad, fucking it'll outlast a lot of us.
Yes and then no.
Oh my god, there's some steel that was put into that so it lasts this long. See some of them spikes we found. I mean, I won't say like the day they were put in, but...
Ooh, which spot? I wonder if this might have been a temporary route. I wonder.
Could be. Or if they had a major washout, you know, you'd build, you're right, a temporary route round. And it wouldn't matter then how much ups and downs it got.
As long as you can get trains over it.
Right.
Without too much trouble.
Yeah, without breaking the rail.
In the water. Fuck this.
Yeah.
Well, this is it for me. We're into a river now as far as you can see. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. If you're a crowd on the mainland, consider yourself lucky you still got a railway.
Yeah, really.
Us here, all we got is
Memories.
memories, a rail bed, and lots of water. Anyway guys, take it easy.